Alright, growing up and being around for the 1980s ninja movies, I of course am interested in throwing knives. This is a set of 3, 6, 9, 12 throwing knives. They're all this style that are very easy to throw. They're balanced well. They've got the paracord wrap and the loop at the end. They look great and they throw great. They're essentially throwing darts. They have a great look to them. They fit 3 into each of these pouches, probably designed to go one in front of the other like this. And then they're in this cool folding kind of book style holder or scabbard for them all. Really neat set, and I would say one of the best deals going, or best deals for getting a bunch of knives to be able to throw. Hope this helps.